How to save a PowerPoint presentation from Canva as PDF. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download your PowerPoint presentation from Canva as a PDF file. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do here is go to canva.com and find the presentation that you want to download as a PDF. So I've got a random PowerPoint presentation here. So if you want to download this directly as a PDF from Canva, then the first thing you need to do is find the share button at the top right corner. Just tap on it. And once you tap on share, you have an option to download, the little down arrow. So click on it. And here on the file type, as you can see, Canva itself suggests PDF as your standard. So you can just select that, or if you want it as image, PNG, or whatever else, you can choose the document type here as well. So I'm just going to click on PDF standard. And if you want it to be flattened out, you can check this box. If you want to include notes, you can check this box as well. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and simply click on download. And if you want to save download settings for future, you can do that as well. And now click on download, and the PDF will now start downloading to your device as a PDF file. So just wait for the download to be complete. And once that is done, you can simply go ahead and open up this file. And as you can see, now the presentation has been downloaded as a PDF. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.